Hello friends, my name is Adhan. So today I'm going to tell you how to solve the Rubik's Cube. I'm going to show you how to solve the Rubik's Cube's second layer. So before watching this video, please watch my Rubik's Cube part 1, part 2 and part 3. So this is the part 4. If you not watch that parts, and if you want to watch it, so go to my channel Adhansa and you will get it. So let's begin this video. And if you don't watch the last part, then you'll not understand this video. So let's start. So friends, last time that you know that I told you the formula in my last video I told you the formula of the top corner part. So I don't have that much place also, so that's why I have written just TC. T means top and C means corner. If you want to get a little bit easier, then you can also do, then this is top corner part. After that, this is LS means left side, RS right side. So this and these you already know the left side formula and this is right side formula. Here the formula is written, and here TC means top center formula. What is this? Top corner formula, and here the formula is. So I know you have written this, so today you have to write this for understanding. So first of all, in the last video I said you first you need to make a plus. So I'm making a plus. So I'm just making a plus in few minutes. Here in the center its color should come. So orange, green. I just use this formula right now for matching the other colors also. Like orange and green were only coming, so that's why these both were not. So I was doing it. If you didn't saw the part 3, then you will not understand it. So watch the part 3 and part 2 also. Now I have to connect with it. Now there's no formula of this. Means there is, but I don't know that formula. I just simply do. Not simply, I already do without that formula. Yesterday I said you can do without formula, how you can put it same like green came the first. See, the first layer has already got over. Yes, in last part I told you how to solve the first layer. Now when you do this, now let's start the main thing at this video, what I wanted to say you. The second layer to solve. Means second layer is called these layers. This is the first layer and this is the second layer. Now for solving the second layer, you have to take this white down. No need, don't feel that this is hard. It's very simple. Let's do like this. Yeah, you have to make your Rubik's Cube upside down. Now the white is going towards downside, no? Now forget about the white and just focus at the second layer. Now you can see that they have become like this. And like this. Now this yellow is there, no? No, now let's go in the main part. You can see this green and orange is coming here. So find green. See here is green. Take this green till here. by doing U comma. Now see, up of green, orange is there, and where is orange? It's here, no? Now you have to put, now if you make it like this, and if you put it here, then it becomes green will come here and orange will come here. Now you have to put, not, this is not orange, that because in the video it is, here it is orange, sorry about that, my mistake I was, that because in the video it will be looking like a little bit orange, so that's why. This is the orange, I have to take it here. Now if you will take, green should come here and orange should come here. Now this block is here only. Now like it was here first, and here it is green, then you have to put it here. If any color comes here, means you have to take it to its color, like green is here and here green, like this. See, it's now coming. Now orange is top of this green, means you have to take it till here, green or no orange. Now for putting, for that you have, and this is, which side is this? Means which side? It's the right side, no? Means it is this side you need to put the color. It's green and orange is here, and it is going towards right side. Means you have to, it's right side. This thing is right side. So that's why we need to use the right side formula. So you can copy down the formula of right side. I'm giving you some minutes for writing. No need for writing the left side, you can write the right side only for now. Remember here RS is there, means this is the right side formula. You can write this. So let's go on the next part. If you need a more time, then you can pause the video. I'm giving time for pausing. Okay, so let's start. Now you need to do this formula for putting this block here. Do the formula. U R U comma R comma U comma, then front comma, then U, and then front. See, it came here. You saw it, it came here, no? First this was here, now it is here. Green and orange. See, it came. Now you need to find another color. But there is no yellow here. Yellow is at the top. If you get any color in which it is yellow, like blue is here, up of blue, yellow is there, means you should not put anywhere. That because yellow is at the top, then you can't fix it anywhere. If yellow comes at any block, here also yellow is there, then you can't plug this block anywhere. Like here yellow is not there, it's blue and orange, means you can put it. Now I found blue and orange. Now where is, here blue is there, then where it will go? It will go here, no? So turn here, do U comma. Now you have to put this block here. That because orange is top of it and orange is here, blue will come here, orange will come here, and this block should come here, means you have to use the left side formula, LS. I'm giving time for writing the left side formula. If you want to make it easier, then you can write LS for knowing that this is the left side formula. Write it. Don't write this. Yeah, I know you have written it already. Right side formula. It's left. So do this one. So if you need more time, then you can pause the video. I'm giving time. So let's start. I have to do the left side formula. Now I'm doing U comma L comma L comma U then L U so let's do it again. I did the whole formula. I just forget a little bit. I just went somewhere and I forget where it is. That's why I paused the video. So let's start by again restarting it. I know that how did I did like that. That because when I was middle at the formula and when I forget the formula, then here this white was missing, and if you'll put the white again, if you'll fix it, then you'll come in your same place. So that you can do. Now orange. I have to put it orange here and blue here. Now for doing left side formula, and I gave you time also. So write U comma L comma U L U F then U comma then front comma here front comma. See, you saw it happened now. A green came here in the right side. Now this blue and also came here. Now the red and blue here. Yellow is not there, means we can take this. And here red is there. Now you have to put blue here, red here. This is the correct block. This will come here. Then you have to do the left side formula. So do with me. U comma L comma U then L U then front then U again U comma then front front comma. Okay. So now only green and red is missing. Now can you see any block? You can't see any block. So if you can't see any block, then sometimes this also happens that your block comes here sometimes, but they do not be in the same place. Like green will be here and red will be here. Now for solving like this, you need I have one more thing, but there is no formula for it. There is no formula. The formula is already written here. Like this block is already here and it is in the right side already here. Then just do this right side formula. That because it is in the right side. The same block is in the right side, and if the same block will be here, means you have to do the left side. But it is in the right side, then you have to do the right side formula. Do U R then U comma R comma U comma front comma then U and then front. Now again do the formula. Now means you have to find that color again. See, it is at the top. Now it have came in the top. Now you have to take this here. Now do again the formula. U R U comma R comma U comma front comma U and then front. Here it is. I already know without the formula I can do it. So see, your second layer has got completed. See, orange, blue, red, green, and even the white also. So the second layer is also over, and the white also didn't got damaged. So friends, if you like this video, then please subscribe it, like it. Don't forget to share this video to your friends. So till that time, thank you and see you tomorrow. Bye. So till that time, thank you.